All right, good. So we are in for item 4, the next or the last number here in bearings. And please, this number here appeared in the UNEB sample guide, and that was item 5. Though I moved some of the information, I've only left the important things in here, but this appeared in the UNEB sample, item 5. Okay. Now we have this question. They're saying your uncle has offered to drive you. They're saying that, okay. All right, good. We go through slowly. They're saying your uncle has offered to drive you to your friend's birthday party. Okay, he normally drives his car at an average speed of 50 kilometers per hour. So he requests you to get directions to the party. Okay, stop. You were informed that the party will start at 2 p.m. and the directions are, so now they're going to give us the directions. And I'm requesting we begin off straight away with getting the directions, and we see how we shall get there. A sketch. Okay. Okay, good. Now let's go in for a sketch. Let's go in for the sketch. So we shall say now a sketch drawing. A sketch drawing showing my journey, showing my journey. Okay, because I've said you are the one. So it is showing your journey, maybe showing your journey to your birthday, the journey to your birthday, to your friend's birthday party. Anyway, you write the title. So long as it is relevant to the question, then that is very, very acceptable. Okay, good. Now, what we have here is we have to sketch, but then they're saying that you were informed that the party will start at 2 p.m. Okay, and the directions are now these are the directions, and I want us to follow the directions to get the sketch done. Okay, they're saying from your home, take north. From your home, so means that we are starting at home. So let's start from home. Here we are. Okay, sketch drawing. So from your home, we are starting from home, please. From your home, this is the north, and this is my home now. Now, okay, from your home, good. From your home, take a northeastern direction. Take a northeastern direction. Now, from your home here, we have to take the northeastern direction. By the northeastern direction, remember I told you that whenever you write northeast, this means north 45 degrees east. That's the implication. I explained that. So therefore, you come and measure north 45 degrees east. This one is a compass bearing. You know, we start from the north going to the east. So therefore, we shall put our protractor there, yeah? Oh, sorry. It is a sketch. So a sketch you don't measure. You just put, but northeastern will be around here. Northeastern will be around that side. Okay, northeastern direction. Then you have to tell the examiner that the angle here is 45 degrees, like that. Now, northeastern direction, let me add on this length a little bit. Okay, good. Now, next, what are they saying? What are they saying? Okay. Okay, and reach your home northeastern direction and reach supermarket. That is 20 kilometers away. So mean that here we have 20 kilometers. So we have 20 kilometers to reach a supermarket. Reach a supermarket. So here is our supermarket. Reach a supermarket. All right, good. So this is the north. Now here, this one here is my supermarket. Supermarket. Okay, I've abbreviated it. Okay. Now 20 kilometers away. Okay, supermarket. That is 20 kilometers away. Okay, next. Then take the road that is south of the supermarket. Then take the road that is south of the supermarket. Okay, then take the road that is south of the supermarket. Now, if this is the supermarket, you see that south is here. This one is south. So the road that is here, south of the supermarket. So where the supermarket is, you get the southern direction, like that. It has to be a bit gentle. Okay, so you moved like this. You are back there. Those arrows are not necessary, but I'm only putting them for you to see what you are meant to do. Now, as you take, then you take the road that is south of the supermarket, and it will take 45 minutes to reach the junction. Now, you see that here I've not given the distance. Whenever I've not given the distance, please just know you'll have to use the formula that distance is equal to speed times time. Then get the speed and time, then have them multiplied. So therefore here what you're going to do in our side work, we shall say that from, we need a distance for that area. Distance is equal to speed times time. Now the speed at which this man was moving was 50. Okay? Okay, times, what is the time? The time we have given to us here is 45. But remember, the 45 is in minutes. To convert it to hours, you divide by 60, like that. Then when you multiply there, please I've divided the minutes, so I'm converting them to hours by dividing by 60. So this time is this. Of course, distance must be in kilometer. So speed is in kilometer per hour. Why am I converting the minutes to hours? It's because the speed is in per hour. But here they've given us in minutes. Anything in minutes, convert it in hours before you can get the distance. Now you can apply 50 times 45 over 60. All right, good. So here we shall get a 50, okay, times 45 divided by 60. Okay, it will be 37.5 kilometers. 37.5 kilometers. Then you can come here and say this is now, okay, 37.5 km acceptable. Now that distance, now in the sketch, we don't mind about how far I've gone. So long as I've written a good sketch, you don't always measure the distance. So 37.5 kilometers, okay. Now, to reach the junction, mean that here, when you reach this level, okay, at that level, we are going to reach at the junction. So you're going to reach at the junction. Okay. So now here, we have reached at the junction, like that. Okay. Having the junction, I say that from the junction, take southwestern direction. From the junction, take southwestern direction, road, and drive 25 kilometers to reach reception. So from where the junction is, we shall take, this is south, this is western. So they want southwestern direction until when you reach the reception. So here it will appear in this format, like that. Please, anyway you draw this sketch, these lengths here may not matter that when you're dealing with the sketch. So to reach the reception, okay, so like this. Now this is now our reception. That is now our reception. What's the distance? 25 kilometers. 25 kilometers. As simple as that. Now what next? We now need to go to the, okay, scale conversion. We need now to go to scale conversion very fast. Then we see the way to go. So scale conversion. We go to scale conversion. Right. We now go to scale conversion. Okay, let's go to scale conversion very fast. Now this will be scale conversion. I can do it from here. Now they've not given us the scale, but if I'm to check on the distances, I have here 20, 37.5, then the 25, I can say, okay, scale conversion. So I can say that let 1 centimeter represent, okay, what can we call it to be? Okay, I can call it, let 1 centimeter represent 5. represent 5 kilometers. Please, this word always write it in full. Okay. Now that means that the distance from home to supermarket will be what? Distance is 20 divided by the 5. That will give us 4 centimeters. Good. All right. Then next, from supermarket to junction, what's the distance there? It is 37.5 divided by 5. This must always be to one decimal place, please. So divide by 5. It will be 7.5 here. Centimeters. Then from the junction to reception, it will be a 25 divided by 5. This will just give us 5 centimeters. And from there, we're going to move straight away to the accurate drawing. And that accurate drawing will be the end of the chapter. All right, good. So let's now go and draw the accurate drawing, and we see the way to go. So now the accurate drawing here will be as per the sketch. The accurate drawing here will be as per the sketch. You will see that we began with the home. We have home. Now, since you have this sketch, you can begin from anywhere you want. But maybe it is simpler to begin from here. Simpler to begin from here, then anything else will come on. So I'll begin from home. So home will be here as per the sketch. Use a graph paper always on these numbers. Use a graph paper always on these numbers. Okay. So this will now be north, and we are beginning from where? We are beginning from home, like that. Then from home, what do? They moved here. The sketch, I explained how this 45 came about. So you measure 45 degrees and move upwards. So 45 degrees and move upwards. 45 degrees, because it was the northeastern. 45 degrees and move upwards. 45 is here. All right. So get your ruler and draw a straight line there. All right, so you come and tell them that this has been just my 45 degrees. But then, how far are we going? We have this direction here, but how far? 20 kilometers. But 20 kilometers means what? 20 kilometers means 4 centimeters. So you come and measure off the 4 centimeters from here. You come and measure off the 4 centimeters from here. Come and measure off the 4 centimeters from here. Okay, so the 4 centimeters, according to mine, will end there. So the 4 centimeters will end there. That means that you place the ruler and draw there that town. Place the ruler and draw there that town. Place the ruler and draw there that town. So, okay. Now this one here is north. Please, you use your squared papers. Mine is not on a squared paper, so may not be which may not have the same answers, but at least in the range. Okay. So north, and now this one is which place? It is now supermarket. So supermarket, we see here a supermarket. Okay, good. Now you can move that using your rubber. No problem. Then what next? From the supermarket, move it in the southern direction. So from the supermarket, move it in the southern direction, came downwards like this. So no worries, just come and put your protractor and of course, draw that line like that. Downwards, the line is coming downwards for how long? 37.5. But 37.5 after changing it is the same as 7.5. So 7.5, measure 7.5 here downwards. 7.5 downwards, shall put here like this, 7.5 downwards. This would be 7.5 will be somewhere here. Okay, according to mine, it will be here. With yours, they're a bit different. My ruler is bigger than yours. With mine, it will be a bit different. So, 7.5. All right. So that's where it ends. Now, it's from that place that now we have to draw the what? The junction. It ends here, be careful. It ends there, be careful. Oh, this one here, come and say this is 4 centimeters. This is a 7.5 centimeters. All right, good. So now here where we are at the junction. We are at the junction. Then finally, what happened? Okay, from the junction, what happened here was he then moved in the southwestern direction. From the junction was southwestern, but I said southwestern. Southwestern means south 45 degrees west. You all know how to measure this. These are compass bearings. If you don't know, please refer to lesson 1 and lesson 2 in the playlist. So this one will be, okay, southwest will be here. 45 degrees southwest, 45 degrees southwest. Where are you? 45 degrees southwest. Where are you? Okay, the 0. Okay, we begin from here. 0. 45 is there. Oh, 45 is there. You now get your ruler and draw that line. Okay, it will be able to at least come out. So, put your ruler there. Like that. So, having done that, now where we're going this side down is where our reception is. And I think the end point of the journey. So come and measure off the 25 kilometers, which are the same as 5 centimeters. So 25 kilometers, 5 centimeters. Okay. And according to mine, it will appear somewhere there. Sorry, I was almost out of space, but I'll just leave it the way it is. So it ends there. Therefore, allow me put here just right away. Just allow me put it there. This is now our town, north. And also allow me put this. So please now, what you're seeing here means you must always learn how to plan well your graph paper. For me, I've not planned well mine, but I think with that we shall be able to move. And now this one is now a what? Here is now where our reception is. Here is now where our reception is. Then this one here is 5 centimeters. As simple as that. Please, I'm trying to draw something bigger in order for you to be able to see what's happening. But in your graph, it will appear a bit small and gentle, especially your rulers are not. You see that here, I also have a 100-meter ruler, which is the same as your long ruler, but this one is bigger than yours. So they are meant to appear like that. Okay. Now, what is the question here? Part A. Now here, part A, they're saying, describe the direction of your home from the party reception. Describe the direction of your home from the party reception. Now, whenever they say direction, they are like you tell them the bearing. Tell them the bearing in terms of angles. Tell them the bearing in terms of angles. So direction of your home from the reception, your home to the reception. Now, the places that I've talked about, you begin by joining them. From your home, let me see, from your home, of your home, from the reception. Okay, so that we have to see it from the reception, we see the direction of the other side. Now what you do, you join those two places that I've talked about. You get your ruler and join them, first of all. You get your ruler and join them. First of all, the places that I've talked about. So join them. Okay. Joining them, that's what we get, I think. Joining them, that's what we get, I think. Now they are saying, describe the direction of your home from the party. The word from the party means where the word from is. The next statement means that while at that point we are going to measure direction when. So we must go and stand from the party reception. So we stand at the party reception and we see where is our home. It's kind of funny a little bit, but I believe it will still come out right from the party reception. So if this is our reception, from the party reception, what's the direction of your home from the party reception? Meaning that the direction of our home, you can, okay. Can't even use geometry, but so you can come and measure the angle which is here. When you go for you know it can come out. With mine, I don't know. Let me try. From the party reception, let me try using this protractor. Don't know whether it will even help us to get the answer. So you come and measure that direction from the party reception. Okay, I'm seeing 0, 10, 0 degrees. So this one is part A, Roman number 1. The direction I'm seeing is 0, 10 degrees. That's according to mine. I don't know what yours will bring about since you're using a graph paper. Okay, that's what I'm getting, 0, 10 degrees. So that is the direction. Okay, next. How far is the party reception from your home using the direct route? How far is the party reception from your home using the direct route? So you come and measure the direct route, the length of the direct route straight away. So here we come and measure. Let's see there. So please here you write it in statement form. So therefore, the direction of my home from the party reception is 0, 10 degrees. Okay. Or north, 10 degrees east. Can also work. Okay, measure. Okay, when I measure here, I can now get part B. Now, as per this, I'm getting 8.2 centimeters. I'm getting 8.2 centimeters. That is on the accurate, but then we need the exact. So that will now be means that this time was what was 1 centimeter representing a 5. So 8.2 times 5, which answer shall we get in kilometers? Use your calculator, please. Don't always use mental work. Use your calculator. Don't use your mental work. So this will be 8.2 times 5.